Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about another really awesome computer science organization called Girls Who Code. I want to tell you a little bit about them, what they do, some of the programs they offer, and more specifically, I want to talk about the summer immersion program, which I've gotten to teach in the past, and the applications for it just opened. So I want to talk about it today. So Girls Who Code is a international nonprofit that is on a mission to close the gender gap in technology and to change the image of what a programmer looks like and does. Why is this important? So we all know that tech is essentially vital to our lives. It's where a lot of the developing and new job opportunities are and where they're going to be in the future. But fewer than 1 in 5 computer science graduates are women. So we have very low representation of females in this space. And it's actually getting worse. So in 1995, around 37% of computer scientists were female. In 2017, it was around 24%, and if nothing is done about this issue, it will go all the way down to 22% in 2027. And with young girls, their participation in computer science goes up and down over time. But research has found that the biggest drop off for interest in CS happens between the ages of 13 to 17. So when young girls are getting into high school and going through high school, we see a dramatic drop in interest in computer science. So what is Girls Who Code doing to tackle this issue? They offer a wide range of really great programs. So they offer after school clubs for 3rd to 5th and 6th to 12th grade girls to expose them to coding. They have the summer immersion program, which I'll talk about more in a minute. There is College Loops, which is a mentoring program for current computer science majors in college. They've written a wide selection of books featuring girls participating in technology and computer science. I've bought a couple of these. They're really great. I'll talk more about them in a future video, and I'll share some of the books that I got. They offer free lesson plans, and they've just expanded internationally. So they've taken their programs international to serve even more girls and to expand their mission further. The summer immersion program is what I specifically wanted to talk about today. So back in the summer of 2018, I taught the summer immersion program with one of the partners of Girls Who Code. I taught in the LA region, and at that time, the partners included Disney Animation Studios, Warner Brothers, USC, AT&T, and Blizzard Entertainment. But there's a wide variety of partners all throughout the country and now even international. So this is not just restricted to LA. The Summer Immersion Program is a 7-week introductory computer science program for 10th and 11th grade girls. When I taught it, the topics that we covered included Scratch animation. We learned about Python. We learned about web development, so HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We covered robotics and then finally data science. And at the end, the girls got to choose a project of their choice to develop and present to their families and their peers. It was really, really awesome. And in addition to the curriculum, we also got to meet a bunch of women who were had successful established careers in the field. We met employees at various departments within Disney. We met with the vice president of multicultural audience engagement, Julianne Crummett. We got to meet the president of Walt Disney Animation, Ed Catmull. We heard his story, got to ask him questions. We toured the Disney Animation Studios and got to play around with some of their tools. So just a bunch of really awesome experiences. If you're interested, please head over to girlswhocode.com. The application is live. If you have any questions about the program, please leave them in the comments. I'd love to answer your questions. It could be about the organization or my experience or the application. Yeah, so it's live. Check it out, girlswhocode.com. See you guys next time. Bye.